Hi everybody, welcome back to Kenterstown Kitchen. It's our favorite time of day, cocktail time. We're going to do a Negroni for you tonight. It's a super simple drink, but I love it because it really transports me to summer, the Riviera, the Mediterranean, sunshine. It instantly makes me think of friends, socializing, and it's a very nice blend of sweet and sour, tangy, herbal, wonderful color. It's just sort of sunshine in a glass. So Campari, gin, and vermouth, orange peel garnish, and I like to add a little bit of rosemary. So we're gonna do equal parts. There's two schools of thought whether to do it over ice in a pitcher or in a shaker. I'm gonna do mine in a shaker, just because a cocktail shaker seems to always add a little bit extra to that cocktail time. Okay. Any gin, I like Monkey 47's my preferred if I can get it. Sipsmith. This is a more basic gin, but still a nice small batch. And this is the wonderful Antica Formula red vermouth. You can use any type of vermouth that you like. I love this one because I love the color. I love the complexity in it. So in our cocktail shaker over ice, and then we're just gonna give that a little shake. Rocks glass. If you can get the really nice big round ice cubes or square ice cubes, preferable. That's going to go right into our glass. Beautiful color. Like I said, sunshine in the glass. This is a blood orange that I've washed and dried, and I'm going to give it a little orange peel. I'm going to rub that around the glass. And I like to add a piece of burnt rosemary. So just take a piece of rosemary, run it over a candle, sort of flame it a little bit. You don't want to burn your guests. Well, we don't have any guests because we're isolating. It adds a little bit of drama. But the smoky, herbal finish is really nice in the glass. And that's into your Negroni. Perfect Negroni. Cheers, everybody. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay sane, enjoy. We'll see you soon from Kenterstown Kitchen. This is going out to our friend Waco at the Rake, who is a huge Negroni aficionado. Way to you in Singapore. Hope you're staying healthy and safe. See you soon, my friend. All the best, everybody. Thank you. Good night.